Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you a special case in opening a lock when the key is inserted while the lock is locked. Alright, this is a special case in which sometimes happens inadvertently when the child lock the door from inside, and he goes to his room and go to sleep, and the parents come in and found out they cannot insert the key on the door from the outside. So there is a way for that in opening this, and the tools that is very important is this 1.5 millimeter stainless steel, which is being sharpened and also flattened at 1 centimeter from the tip. Okay, so I'll show you the detail and also how it opens, and also the mechanics and the actual movement of the cylinder, right? Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the detail of this simple wire, which is made of stainless steel. This is 1.5 millimeter diameter, and the important thing here is that the tip, I sharpen it and I did grind it both sides, and then what thickness remain is 1 millimeter. So this tip is very sharp. That is one way to cut the cam, and once it catches, it will go inside the slot inside here. As you could see, this is the slot here. It will go inside there. Like that. You see that? It's moving. So whatever the position of the key here, this cam will just go around when it is being engaged. Guys, now I will show you the mechanics of this tools here. When the key is locked or inserted from inside of the lock and it's turned like this, of course the cam is positioned anywhere like that, so you cannot insert the key here to open it because the cam is already projecting on the other side and locking from the inside. So what you do with these tools, I already explained the detail of this tool. Okay, so insert it here. The purpose why it was thin from the tip is that it will go inside here, right? And then you try to manipulate it by first picking this up. Okay, after you pick it, then insert these tools here and manipulate it until it goes from the end there, and try to insert it by trying to turn this. As you go along, you'll find a slot for that C-clip there, and it will go inside. Okay. Yeah, see that? It goes inside now. Alright? Okay, now try to notice that how these tools inserted. Okay, so you see the tools there. Now it will go into the side here when you found the slot of this C-clip, and it will get into this slot here. Let's try. You see, it's going there. Now it's going. So whenever you turn it, the cam will also turn. This cam will unlock the lock. Alright? So it doesn't matter whether this key here is whatever its position is. You can just turn the cam as it was. Then if you want to turn it further, all you have to do is remove this so that it will not engage the cam, and then you turn this core. See that? It doesn't move. So you turn the core back. To where you pick it before. Then you start again. Insert this. Bind its way in. Alright. Then turn it again with a tension wrench. You see it again come. So it follows. So no matter what the position of the keys, as long as you pick this, you insert these tools, engage it on this cam here, on the slot of the cam, so it moves. And because this is picked and that is already on with the key, so it just keep on turning. Again, if you want to turn it once more, all you have to do is remove this and bring this back. You see the cam doesn't goes with the doesn't go with the turn. Okay, return it back again, and then you try again once more turn. How many turns will be the profile cylinder is. See that? That's how to unlock whatever direction it was. You can always open it. You pick it, insert. Okay now friends, but I had to clarify first that this side here, in order to make my picking shorter, I just installed 2 pins on this side here. So it doesn't matter as long as I could demonstrate to you the faster way, simple way on opening a lock which has been locked with the key inside inserted. Okay, so this is the way now. So I have to pick this first, and it's just 2 pins, so I program it into 2 pins so that it's okay. Now that's turned. After that is turned, you have to insert this, and also remember the flat face. There are flat face both sides. Insert it on the very end and try to feel it's going inside on that area here. So it goes now. I feel it. It's locks. Now it's time for me to turn it, and I'm sure once it is inserted here, when I turn this core, the cam will also turn because it's locked on that neck there. Alright, so let us try. Okay, that's already been inserted. Okay, it doesn't turn. I will again remove it and bring this core back to where I originally picked it again, so that I don't have to turn it again and pick it again and again. Okay, so now I put it again and try it. Okay, see the bolt? It's moving. Again, I will remove this. The bolt is already there. I will turn this back again so that I could extract the bolt one more time. I no need to pick it. Okay. Look, see that? So it needs one more turn. Again, I will turn it. Alright. Before I pass the shear line, I have to remove these tools again and return back the core to the position where I pick it first. Alright. Now I insert this one again. Find the place there for the, yeah, I got it. Turn it again. That is the second one. Now I will remove it again and bring it back once more to fully remove the latch, the dead bolt. Alright, so that's it. Again to where it was before. Manipulate it. Now I saw it, I feel it is locking there. Turn it again. You got it. And then if this also incorporate a dead bolt, that means from the outside it is dead, rigid. That means doesn't move. Only the inside is active level. So again I have to turn it like this. After I pass the shear line, I stop and remove this tools here, and then bring this core back again until to the position where it was, and after that I will try to put these tools again inside, and now it's always locking there. Alright, so again I will turn it again and again and again. Again, and just see the board. You see that? Now it goes. The door is open. So that is how simple it is, folks, to open a door which key is inside, inserted, and whichever direction it is, no matter what, doesn't matter anyway. As long as you have these tools, you pick this up, and that's it. You can open the door with this very simple